MacBook Air, A1932, screen replacement. Unscrew back cover. Removing back cover. Need T5 screwdriver. DAC cover removed. Disconnect battery connector. Connector disconnected. You need T3, T for and T5 screwdrivers for inside screws. Disconnects the vent and antenna. Now unscrew all the top area screws as shown in video. Do it slowly and with care. Don't make any hasty move.
Which name is it? It should be on Ali 5.5. This one is.
All screws are off now. Gently remove screen, open screen half, and remove as shown in video. Remove successfully. Now it's time to place new screen. Follow the steps in video to place new screen. Connect all connectors, but battery connector should be connected at last.
Hello, how are you? I'm good.
I'm good. How's it going?
Going good, good.
Yes. Because I'm So this is also the picture of the sticker. So it says input DC15V2A.
So it's not written any of the measurements. So it's better to bring it here or take it if someone is offering a discount or refund offer. So you can just take it and check it. This is the only way.
All connectors connected. Now place battery connectors. Put the back cover.
Ask it. Mahanu.
Okay. Got you.